We'll guide you through how to create patterns in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer. Once you're in, you can start by drawing the basic shapes or lines you want to use for your pattern. Use the drawing tools on the left side of the screen to create your design elements. After you've drawn the elements for your pattern, you need to group them together. To do this, select all your elements by clicking and dragging over them. Then right-click and choose Group from the menu. This helps keep your pattern elements together as you work. Next, you can tile the pattern. Go to the Object menu at the top, then select Pattern and choose Objects to Pattern. Your grouped objects will now become a repeatable pattern. You'll notice a bounding box around your pattern. You can adjust this box to change the spacing and repetition of your pattern. Simply click on the pattern and drag the handles to resize as needed. If you want to edit the pattern further, double-click on it to enter the pattern editing mode. Here you can move, rotate, or scale the elements to refine how the pattern looks. Once you're happy with the pattern, you can apply it to other shapes. Select a shape, go to the Fill and Stroke panel, then choose Pattern from the Fill options. Your new pattern will appear in the list of available patterns. Select it to fill your shape with the pattern, and there you have it. You've created a custom pattern in Inkscape with just a few simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.